What's going on, y'all? Sean and Master Tutoring here with another SAT type problem for you. Make sure before we get into this that you like the video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel because we are going to keep these coming. Make sure you also pause this video, give it a shot before we go through the solution. All right, so here we go. You see that there is a parabola here to the left, and it's given by the equation, or it has the equation y equals negative ax squared minus C. Okay, I see there's a typo in this problem here, so let's put that there. All right, so this says the parabola to the left has a vertex located at 0, comma, negative C. What can be said about the direction and the vertex of the parabola given by the following equation? Y equals A, x plus 19 squared minus C. Now, what it means by direction is the parabola pointing upward, like a U shape, or downward in an upside down U shape. Okay. All right, good. Now, you don't necessarily need to see this graph to the left to know how to solve this problem. This is really just a matter of you remembering this right here. So if you a parabola is usually represented by a quadratic equation y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay, but in what you call vertex form for a parabola, it will be y equals um a x minus h quantity squared plus k, where the vertex is located at h comma k. Okay. So that's really all you need to remember. That's why I always tell people, remember the vertex form for a parabola. All right. So now that said, when you look at an equation like this, think about just the parent equation for this. It's really y equals x squared. Y equals x squared is a parabola. It's a U shape. Okay. If you stick a negative sign in front of x squared, then that U shape goes upside down. So the sign of this um, coefficient matters. That's what makes this upside down in the graph here. But that means this is going to be the direction is going to be upward. Okay. Now, where's the vertex? Just remember your equation here. The vertex is going to be located at h comma k. Pay attention to the sign. Okay, so that's whenever this is a negative sign and this is positive, it's going to be hk. So because this is like x minus negative 19. So the vertex is going to be h is going to be equal to negative 19, and then k, remember this is supposed to be positive, so this is like plus a negative c. So this is going to be at minus c. Okay, very simple problem if you remember the vertex form of a parabola. Let me know if you got it. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you share with a friend, and have a good one. Hey, thank you for watching this video. If you need math tutoring or you need SAT math help, look in the description to find out how you can sign up today. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you stay in touch with Math Swap Tutoring on YouTube. Have a good one.